Hello everyone, welcome to Bank. In this video, we are going to solve 3 more problems from coding and decoding series. And in this problem, it says that cigarette is written as CIGARTT. You see, there are 90% of the people who smoke and they do not know the exact spelling of this word called cigarette. You can try it. You can ask as many people as you can, and you can realize that there are people who do not know the spelling of this word called cigarette. So it says that a cigarette is written as GICERAET and T, and we need to find the pattern. So what exactly is happening over here is this word cigarette is divided in the cluster of 3 alphabets each. So now this is like CIG is one cluster, ARE is another cluster, and TTT is another cluster, and they are written in reverse order. So this becomes GIC, this is ERA, and we have got it to be ET and T, and that is what is written over there. So what is the pattern? The pattern is we need to make cluster of 3 alphabets each, starting from the left hand, or you might start from the right hand as well if there are odd number of alphabets, and these alphabets of each and every cluster will be written in reverse order. So if I have got direction, first I will make clusters of 3 alphabets each, and I will write them in reverse order, and this will become RID, and this cluster is going to be TCE and NOI. So this word direction will be written as RID, TCE and NOI. What option? Option number 2 is the correct answer. What is the learning from this particular problem? That most of the time it doesn't happen that the word has been written in the reverse order. This word can also be chopped off into many clusters, and these clusters are reversed, not the whole word, right? Let us see one more problem, and there you will understand what I am talking about. This problem says that word Kindle is written as ELDNIK. What is the order? It is like very simple. You write the word in reverse order and you have got it the answer. So if I have to write exotic, how am I going to write exotic? I will be writing alphabets in reverse order, and it will become CIT, OX and E. As simple as that. So what option? Option number C is the correct answer. So in the previous problem we understood that not the whole word but clusters can be reversed. In this case what is happening is the whole of the world is getting reversed. Now let us solve one more problem. It says that in a code, corner is written as central. No, corner is written as GSVRIV, and the problem is talking about central. How would central be written with the same pattern? If G is written as C is written as G, it is moving ahead by 4 places: C, D, E, F and G, 4 places. If you are writing O to S, O, P, Q, R and then S, so this is also moving ahead by 4 places. So the pattern is each and every word is going to move ahead by 4 places in the right direction. Now we need to find out how central would be written in this pattern. Even if I do not want to do this, what I can say is, if C is written as G, I will write C to be G, because in corner C has been replaced by G. So in central also C will be written as G. Now look at your options. Option A is eliminated. Option E will also be eliminated because central will be replaced by a word that starts with G. Now over here we have got E. Here E is written as I. Can you see this? Since E is the second alphabet from the right hand side, over here we have got I to be the alphabet from the second alphabet from the right side. E will certainly be replaced by I. And now look at your options. Over here the second place is occupied by I, N and J. So what is the correct answer? B is the correct answer. I hope these shortcuts will certainly save you a lot of time, but this would come only if you practice a lot. Without practicing, coding and decoding problems certainly become a real time consuming process, and we should avoid doing that, isn't it? So one should be practicing a lot. The more you practice, the more efficient you are going to be in coding and decoding problems. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in some other video. Till then, bye bye and take care.